Based on our research, we felt that there was an empty niche for a furniture rental website, and therefore we created a website to allow users to rent furniture, and as an added feature, they can rent to own the product. Our website is built on AngularJS framework. Because of the modular approach of Angular, our team first created a skeleton of the website and then worked individually on different flows and pages of the web app. This allowed us to develop the pages in parallel. We used Trello to monitor the team's progress. Each page on our website follows the same color set and theme to ensure consistency. We chose to display the top sellers on the home screen so that it is the first thing that a new or an existing user sees. The top sellers list shows to the user the top most popular items on our website. By looking at the top sellers, we offer the user a variety of tested products that they may rent and potentially buy. We decided to not include the search button in the search bar. Instead, the Postgres database is queried on key up. We made this decision in order to give the user real-time feedback on their query. Therefore, the user can modify their query as soon as they know it'll return an empty result. Removing the search button also saved screen's real estate on mobile screens. I implemented the list items in the browse page. The items are listed aesthetically, where each item tile is of equal length and has the same format for good material design. Each item that can be rented to own has a tag to indicate to the user. This is a convenient method of showing key information about the product to the user. The tag and the product price provides the user useful information about the product without them having to open the product in detail. The image enlarges on hover to enhance the user interaction. A quick rent link is available for users to quickly purchase an item for rent. The decision to have the quick rent link in the browse page was a key decision I made, as I wanted to save the user unnecessary clicks to rent a product that they know they will already rent or buy. The user is notified when they click on the link. The notifications I created are transparent throughout the website and serve to give visual cue to the user of any important actions or reminders without creating too much visual noise. I implemented the product description section in the product detail page. The page style is consistent with other pages. The renting price is in bold so that it is instantly visible to the user. When the rent product button is clicked, the stock of the product is updated client-side, a notification is fired to the user, and a green tick next to the rent button is also displayed. I did this to give the user a visual cue that the item has been added to their cart successfully. Having the green tick is important as it serves to potentially avoid the double-click problem and gives a better user experience. I also created the checkout flow. In the checkout flow, the user is given a list of their current cart items to remind them of their purchase. The user has a second chance to revise their cart before committing to the purchase. They can change the quantity and days to rent the item, or to rent each item. This was a key decision I made, because in order to give the user full flexibility of making any final changes to the purchase, while keeping them knowledgeable of the items they are renting and the cost of those items. The total price is highlighted on the right-hand side so that it is easily identified by the user. As the user changes the parameters, they receive real-time updates to their cost. Furthermore, users can delete the items they no longer want. When proceeding with the checkout, the system prompts the user to log in or register if they haven't done so. Ensuring that the user is logged in when purchasing items was a key decision I made, as we must know who has rented the product in order for the item to be returned. The system will not let guest users to rent product or make any purchases. After signing in, the system notifies to the user of any items that are due back soon. The notification is of a different color here to signify the different level of importance of a message to a user. Upon completing the payment, the user is notified of their successful purchase via a toast message at the bottom. Upon reflection, we could have improved our website by not stopping the user from purchasing the product. Currently, the user must wait a given number of days before purchasing the product. As a website, we should have made purchasing as streamlined as possible. This mistake is likely due to our persona, which was to give students a guarantee period for when they can try out the furniture before making the purchase. Our personas were too concrete, and we did not think about the wider effect that a persona would have. Next time, we need to revise our personas properly and understand the effects of them on other use cases.